America, I've just received some alarming news. We've just discovered that the country that holds the world record for the world's longest barbecue marathon is England?
Grilling. It's as American as NASCAR and hating the metric system. So on a warm summer night last August, Ballpark staged a coup to take back what was rightfully ours, the Guinness World Record for longest barbecue marathon.
3, 2, 1, America!
But what was it going to take?
At least 2 willing participants. 5 different items on the grill at any given time. Cameras for verification. And a grilling time longer than 29 hours and 1 minute.
And we got a celebrity chef, because that's what we do. $402 pounds of hot dogs later, we smashed the record by 4 hours and brought the Guinness World Record back home where it belongs, on our mantle, right next to freedom. Sorry, Your Majesty.